Hey there, Chelsea here, MonarchAlley. I am a vintage lover, thrifter, and part-time reseller, and today I have a fun video where I'm awkwardly holding this huge box. It's a large flat rate package from Tanya at Volver Vintage. We are doing a thrift exchange, which is really fun. She's doing an entire Vlogmas series, which is awesome. I highly recommend. Go check out her channel. I will post a picture of it. I will tag it below and watch the entire playlist of her Vlogmas because it's a lot of fun content from reselling, thrifting, to just like kind of daily vlog style, like a day in the life sort of stuff. It's really fun. And she invited me to kind of participate in her Vlogmas by doing a thrift exchange. So what we decided to do was to create a listing on Poshmark for each other where we would send basically 5 pounds of goods, because on Poshmark you can ship up to 5 pounds for a flat rate of $8, which really is a steal if you think about it. And I have no idea what is in this box. Now I will say, what I sent her, I think, is a mix of items that she could resell and keep as well. I tried to put some items in there that would, you know, potentially turn a profit for her, but also some stuff that I just thought she would think is fun, because I do think we are kindred spirits when it comes to vintage goods. So yeah, okay, I'm too anxious. I have to see what is in this box. I haven't looked. Okay, so I'm gonna set it aside so I'm not awkwardly holding it. See, I haven't even, for real, opened it. I can do this, I can do this. All right, oh, she packaged hers way cute. Okay, I'm gonna set it aside. All right, here's her thank you card, which is super cute. Got a pineapple on it. It says, "Hi Chelsea, thank you so much for collaborating on this Vlogmas video. I truly hope you enjoyed what I picked for you. Everything was sourced at my local swap meet," which is like an LA thing. Well, probably other places too, but I'm in the Midwest. I don't think we have a lot of swap meets, but I feel like in LA, they do that every weekend and it sounds really, really fun. I would love to go sometime, maybe with Tanya. So her local flea market, Merry Christmas. Love Tanya. All right, so the first item, what? Oh, okay, classy, preppy style. The first item is this white button-down shirt, and it is Lauren Ralph Lauren. The Lauren Ralph Lauren is definitely a good brand. It's not one I know a ton about, but I've sold a few pieces and they usually go fairly quickly, and some can go for a really great price. I think this is kind of that dark, well, maybe not dark academia, but that academia vibe that people really like, and I think it's super cute. I would even probably wear it myself. Oh my gosh, you guys, up next is this sweet vintage jacket. Look how incredible it is. This is so like 80s, 90s vibes. It's got like the mint green and this peachy pink. Oh my goodness, it is so cool. I forget what type of jacket this is. It's not like a members only jacket. Maybe it's just kind of a classic windbreaker, but it's softer than a windbreaker. It's like more cottony. It says Bay Club on it. So the brand is Bay Club by Catalina, made in USA. And so cute. And it's a size 10. And yeah, I feel like, I don't know, might need to wear this around a bit myself this spring. So cute. I absolutely love it. I'll probably wear it a bit and then go ahead and flip it. And that's what's one of the really fun things about reselling, is that you can do that. You can do that. Guys, okay, she knows me too well. Up next is a Star Wars shirt, and it's new a tag. That's cool. So we have, oh, here we go, a screen print of Star Wars, and it's got Jabba the Hutt and Leia before she has been rescued, poor thing. It's a size extra small t-shirt. Must be like an adult unisex extra small, because I feel like I could even rock it. I'm typically kind of a medium. And what is this? Yeah, this is so cool. Wow, new tag. The original price was $19.99. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Official merch. Love it. Oh, and on the back it says Return of the Jedi. Love it. Thank you so much, Tanya. I'm totally nerdy like this. And again, might have to wear that a bit. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Look at this. How sweet is this? This is a little backpack. Oh my gosh. In the shape of a baseball with a baseball print. It's got Bert and Ernie. This is killing me. It makes me think of my youngest son, Max. He, like, his first love was Sesame Street, and we have a lot of Bert and Ernie stuff. Oh, looks like it just needs a little bit of a wipe down and it'll be good to go, because otherwise, very good condition. This is so cute. Let's see it. Let's see it open. Oh, yeah, clean. Super clean. In fact, it even still has like a dangly tag here, so maybe it was never really used. It's so cute. Ooh, I don't know what to do with that one. That is so cute. All right, we have a few more pieces left. This next one looks really cool too. So it looks like it's a modern t-shirt, but with vintage vibes. I love a good ringer tee. So when it has that kind of special color there and on the sleeves, it's called a ringer tee. And this is Universal Studios, and look at all the great characters on it. It says, see the stars, ride the movies, Back to the Future, E.T., Universal Studios, Hollywood. I see King Kong, I see Frankenstein. This is an epic t-shirt. Oh snap, that's so cool. So it's a screen printed tag. What does it say? Size 2X. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I love pop culture. So Tanya, you're killing it. I'm just loving everything. Ah. Oh girl. Oh girl. What's up next? But a blingy sweater. Does it have butterflies? Oh, that is so cute. Dude, okay, being MonarchAlley, Monarch comes from, you know, the monarch butterfly, and this has butterflies on it. I'm speechless. This is an incredible, incredible sweater. Detail. Look at the detail on those sequins. Girl, get it. And the beading. Let's see. Does it have a tag? I'm not immediately seeing a tag, but I did immediately find the shoulder pads. You know I did. I do not see a tag, so I don't know. I'd probably call this like a women's medium or large. Oh, it's so good. That is so cool. That was a very thoughtful little throw that in there. I really feel like Tanya picked out things that she knew I would like personally love and that would be impossible to sell. I think these are gifties. I think that I can't part with them. What do you think? What should I do? And then in the mix, she threw in some really fun, cute tissue paper and even a holiday themed poly mailer bag. That's so cute. Love it. Okay, so in all, I got 6 items, and yeah, they are very sweet and very thoughtful. Tanya, you really knocked it out of the park. I appreciate you so much. I really love getting to be involved in your Vlogmas. I hope it continues to be really successful, and I think I'm behind on a few videos, so I need to catch up. But again, everyone, give Tanya a follow. Volver Vintage, she is amazing. She has excellent taste, as you can see by this amazing thrift haul that I just did. And I guess go to her channel and see what I got her. And I'm not gonna say tell me who won because this was just for funsies, right? But let me know what you thought of the item she got me, and then go over to her video and you know, say what you thought of what I picked out for her. Hopefully she has a fun time with the items that I sent her. All right, so that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you so much for watching this video. It was a quick one, but it was a really fun one. Again, go follow Tanya, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, give it a sub and watch some of my previous thrift haul playlist videos as well, because we could kill a lot of time going through that. I'm happy to be your friend in the background while you're working. All right, again, I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.